Hi there! Today we're creating a boho styled clay plate. It's great for styling your space or holding little trinkets. This is a fun beginner-friendly air-dry clay project that will get you to try some basic sculpting techniques without too much of a hassle. Start by rolling out a 500 gram pack of air-dry clay to about 1 centimeter thick. Ovals can actually be quite tricky to draw, so we've provided a template that you can print out. The template is 22 centimeters long and 12 centimeters wide in the widest bit. Use the template and the blade tool from the clay tool set to cut the oval. You can save the leftover little bits of clay in case you need to do any repairs later on. It's very normal for air-dry clay to crack when it dries. The cracks are actually very easy to fix, and we have a tutorial on how to do that if you end up needing it. With the forked end tool from the clay tool set, scrape a 1 centimeter border around the edge. This gives the lip something to grip onto. Roll the leftover clay into a long, even coil and place it right along that border. Use the curved end tool to blend the coil into the base from the inside. Then blend the outer edge using a forked or blade-shaped tool. Smooth out any joints with a wet finger or a soft brush. You want the plate to look seamless and smooth. We've also provided a template for the simple boho leaf design. If you're feeling fancy, you can use a clay tool to gently create some indents to add extra interest in your design. We indented the wavy lines and the circle shape, but you can also create an indent for the leaf. Once the plate is fully dry, it's time to paint it. We used pastel mushroom on the bottom, pastel eggshell blue in the middle, and pastel cantaloupe up top. The circle detail is pastel marigold, and the lip is finished in pastel taupe. Let the first paint coat dry, and then go in with the second for that extra pop of color. For the leaf detail, we used sienna brown flexi-tip paint pen, but you can use any color you want. You can also skip the paint pen and use paint and a small brush instead. Once it's all dry, we'll seal the whole thing with natural finish clay sealer to lock it in. This provides a completely matte finish, which is great for the neutral tones and boho vibes. And there you have it, your handmade boho plate ready to show off. We hope you enjoyed this project and had fun getting a bit messy with clay.